Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Star-Lord in Marvel Rivals. Star-Lord is a dynamic duelist, known for his exceptional mobility and consistent damage output. He wields powerful dual-element guns and utilizes acrobatic moves to navigate the battlefield. Your primary goal is to flank opponents, disrupt their formations, and eliminate high-priority targets. Mastering his movement and weapon handling is key to becoming a legendary player. Let's dive into Star-Lord's core abilities. His element guns are your primary damage source, firing rapidly with 40 bullets per magazine, each dealing about 6.5 damage. Stellar Shift is a versatile dodge that makes you briefly invulnerable and instantly reloads your guns, with 2 charges available. Rocket Propulsion allows you to boost and soar, consuming fuel that recharges when not in use, perfect for quick repositioning. To master Star-Lord, strategically use Stellar Shift to dodge incoming damage and keep your element guns reloaded. Always look for opportunities to flank, targeting squishy enemies like support characters first. Rocket Propulsion is excellent for gaining advantageous high ground positions or making a swift escape when overwhelmed. Don't forget Blaster Barrage, which unleashes a flurry of shots in an 8-meter radius, perfect for finishing off weakened foes. Star-Lord's ultimate, Galactic Legend, is incredibly powerful. For 8 seconds, you gain free flight with auto-aim and significantly faster reloading, allowing you to unleash massive damage. This ability is fantastic for wiping out multiple enemies, especially when they are grouped together. When paired with Adam Warlock, his leader's soul team-up ability provides a valuable cocooned revival, giving you a second chance to dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.